How to fix E07 on a SuperFit treadmill. Step 1. Check the safety key. Look at the front of the treadmill console and find the safety key slot. The safety key is usually a small magnetic key attached to a cord and clip. Step 2. Reattach the safety key. Place the magnetic safety key firmly into its designated position under the display. The SuperFit manual says the treadmill won't start when the safety lock is removed. Step 3. Turn the treadmill off and back on. Turn the treadmill's power switch to off. Wait a few seconds, then switch it to on again, with the safety key still attached. Step 4. Test the treadmill. Press start. The display should perform its countdown and the motor should start. The SuperFit manual specifies a 3-speed countdown before the motor starts. Step 5. If the E07 is still showing, check that the key is seated correctly and that the safety key area isn't damaged. If it still won't recognize the key, consult the manual for your exact SuperFit model or contact the seller rather than bypassing the safety system. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.